a torture method, alright? And people will think, oh my god, it's a torture method. No, what did I deserve for this? But actually, it will give them some Gucci if they're a Karen. And yeah, some Gucci. I got my Gucci on, Gucci on. I got my 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 Gucci on, Gucci on. I already got my Gucci on, Gucci on. I already have my Gucci on, Gucci on. I already have my Gucci on, Gucci on. I already have my Gucci, Gucci on. I got a Gucci, Gucci on. Na 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 na, Gucci on. I got my Gucci, Gucci on. What? Yo. Alright, Alright, let's pretend. Wait. Such a bone, no, chicken bone, dry bone, high bone, hair, get out of here. Vitamins? Alright. Oh, the headache?
This is the one you drink every day.
Alright.
And this is the one you drink if your headache is starting to hurt. Your head is starting to hurt.
Alright.
Gotta try this one, see how it is.
Okay.
And then this one, she said try this one.
What is that? Come on.
How many do you want you to drink? One capsule, twice daily with twice daily. So you need to drink one twice daily. Wow.
Twice? Have to take it twice?
Twice a day.
Okay. And what am I supposed to take?
So maybe you should have drunk one with the breakfast and then one for lunch, you know. So I'm gonna give you one now and then you'll have one for 10. Okay?
Okay.
Here's your vitamin, and then I'll give you. Give me a second. And then I'll give you the other one.
Where did you go? I guess that's enough. What? I'm what the Sigma. 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 Alright. Yo, I didn't know that was that serious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, no. Yo. Yo, how about holy shoot. Where I go. Yo, what in the skibbity Fortnite? That's just not my problem. Problem, not my problem. That's just not my problem. Oh shoot. Mayday, mayday! There hasn't been a breach, mayday! Oh my god! Mayday, mayday! Trump them in, mayday, mayday, mayday! Mayday! Mayday, mayday! It hasn't been a breach! Mayday! Mayday! No! Skibbity Fortnite! Skibbity, skibbity Fortnite! Skibbity Fortnite! Skibbity Fortnite! Now, how about Assassin's Creed? How about a tomato? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! How? Yo, what the? I forgot I deleted the Talkie AI app. Oh shoot! What the heck? Yo, my game's gonna crash. Holy shoot, guys! How about we do World War II breach, Ohio? All right, this is the war against Gen Z and Gen X. All right, guys. I don't know which team I will be in it. I'm on no team. I think like the war's stupid and Gen X started all this. Alright. No, this is Gen X, right? This is Gen X. This is an old man. I've been fighting since World War I and II and III and IV and V and VI and VII and VIII and IX and X and oh my god. And by the way, medical hat cap. Okay. And this is 25-year-old, and he never. Actually, this is like a 13-year-old. He doesn't know how to use a gun yet. Like Dexter's son. And by the way, he doesn't even know what war is, or even World War 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm shooting at you, help you not die. Ow. How do I shoot a gun? Oh no, no.
Oh, you made a video for like burn. You burning yourself? Why would you be doing that?
I hate Germans. Yo, our comrade. I'm not letting this war down. Oh, ah! These helmets are indestructible. Yeah. Oh, grenade out. Oh, a toy for my doggy. A toy for my doggy. Wow, a toy for my doggy. A toy for my doggy. Oh, where is the grenade? I'll just throw another one then. A toy for my doggy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not letting this war down. Yo, why do you, bro? Bro, it looks like Drake. Like a full-on black-coated Drake costume. Like, don't tell me this does not look like thing, bro. This does not look like a regular old man. Alright, anyways. I don't know why, bro. My game's lagging so much. Yo, heavy vest. Yo, Gen Z. Bro, I meant Gen X. Oh my god, Gen X. How do you know how to use armor plates? Gen X, bro. Gen X. Yo, Gen X, what are you doing? Yo, how is he? Yo, Gen X. Yo, I'm not making fun of Gen X either. I am just like joking around how old they are, because you know, Gen X are old, so I'm just trying to do a joke. So, Gen X, if you think I'm offending you, I'm not. I'm not offending. And no offense, but why? Who started this war? Gen X or Gen Z? Alright. Sorry, guys. Yo, Gen X gotta stop. Yo, Gen X! How do you have a whole grenade launcher? Oh, I meant minigun. I don't know why. The minigun in this game looks so small, bro. But in people's rig gun, it looks so big. Like, Melon. Can't blame me. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm singing Master Always. Oh yeah, I forgot the mustache. I meant the beard. Beard. Crazy, she calling my phone. Light vest. Ugh. How do you have a whole minigun in standby, bro? Oh, yo! 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 Gen X, you went a little too far.